everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are gonna do an unboxing and product review video because I really love to share the products that I've been loving and I can recommend to you guys. So in this video we are gonna be unboxing this magnetic charging and data cable from Magtame. I think this product is very useful for us, especially nowadays we are carrying a lot of devices, and of course if there's devices, there's also the charging cables that comes with it. And most of the charging cables out there are really messy and really cluttered. So here is a magnetic cable that I think is a good solution for clutter-free and mess-free cables. So if you're interested to see what this product looks like and if it's really an effective solution for our cluttered cables, please keep on watching, and without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Okay, so looking at the box for their packaging, it looks like they have 4 different kinds of cables in here. They have the lightning, A to C, A to lightning, A to C, C to lightning, and C to C. So that's nice because they have different options, and also they do have 3 different colors in here: black, silver, and blue, and also different lengths if you want longer or shorter cables. Okay, so I've stretched the cable. In here, it is this long, and it's supposed to be self-winding and magnetic. So I think you can fold it into and roll it so it won't be cluttered like other cables that are tangled together. So look, it's actually nice because I just folded it and it stands just like this.
The whole line is wrapped with magnetic material full of magnetism, so you can easily wrap your charging cable to keep it organized and tangle-free. Okay, so we're in the car right now and we are gonna try the cables. I think it's a perfect use for these cables because, as you can see, it is clutter-free and it would look very nice when you use it in a car. Okay, so let's try it out now and let's plug it into the car, and the cable I'm using here is USB-A to lightning. Also, just to show you what kind of cables we were using before, so we had this like different cables in here, and obviously they are all so messy and tangled. Now look at that, it looks so neat in here. It's not all tangled like some other cables. Okay, so let's give it a try now. I'm plugging in the cable to the phone and it's charging, so it's working, and as you can see, it looks still very neat in this car. Also, when you're done, you can curl the cable to make it neat in here so it won't really look all tangled and messy. You can just keep it here. And if you have a black car, I think the black cable would look the best in here. It would look sleek and matching. And another use case for this is at home, because we do have a lot of chargers lying on the floor, and look at this mess. They're just all over the floor, and yeah, it doesn't really look nice. So let's swap it with the mag cable. I like that they offer different options for the cable for the different adapters that you have for your chargers. And this is what it looks like now, so much better than earlier where the cables were all over the place. Now it's just neatly rolled onto the side. So I think this is a really good solution for every cables that we have at home for our devices. I think everyone should get this magnetic cable. Okay, so I'm now going to show you how convenient it is to carry the Magtame cables. They are great for traveling, business trips, and daily life. And this is what it looks like. You can curl the mag cables to any size you want, so it is super convenient to carry. It's not a mess inside the purse or your bags, and it also doesn't take up a lot of space in here. Okay, so if you're interested to check it out and purchase, just go to magtame.com and you can shop for the different cables and options that they have in here. They have different products as well, but they do have a lot of different magnetic cables, like different connections, USB-C, lightning, micro cable, and with different colors too.